It's a lazy Sunday morning and let's make French toast for the breakfast. First, crack 2 eggs into a bowl and give them a nice whisk. Next, pour in some milk and whisk it all together until it's nice and smooth. Now add a pinch of salt and little pepper for that extra flavor and mix it up well. Heat the pan and apply some butter to it. Let the butter melt and bubble. Dip each slice of bread into the egg mixture, soaking each side for about 10 seconds. Make sure they are well coated on both sides. Place the soaked bread slice onto the hot pan. Cook them until they are golden brown on both sides. Ta-da! Now let's top it up with some maple syrup and yummy French toast is ready.